never seen so many fairy lights before. That tiny star is smiling and waving at me.
Wow, Sammy, you're making friends even in the sky. So cool.
I feel bad for this star, though. It looks lonely up there with no friends. I wonder if stars have siblings. Oh, maybe they can even have twins.
Of course they do. And in here, I've got all the evidence that proves that.
Did someone say evidence?
Yep. So, what does your detective's intuition tell you?
Let me have a closer look. Very interesting. Well, there are definitely no sweets inside.
You're a great detective because you're right.
Then why do we need it?
Oh, this package has the answer to your twin stars mystery.
You should have said so from the beginning. Hey, what's that?
It's a little inscription.
Kawaii? What does it mean?
It means cute. In Japanese, it's a trendy word.
Oh, so it means I am kawaii! Cool! So I have something in common with this mystery box?
That's right, Sammy. Okay, let's have a closer look at all these cute blind baggies. By the way, these are twin stars, Kiki and Lala. And they seem to be on all of these baggies. See? Ah, I really like these two. And this one is pretty big. I wonder what's inside? I can't really say. I guess we will have to unpack them all to find that out. That's a lot of work ahead of us.
Then you wouldn't mind me opening this baggie. Sharing's good.
And I really want to open this one. I need scissors. So what do we have inside? Huh? Nothing?
What? Weird. Help! Sue, Mayday!
Oh, you're such a drama queen, Sammy. These are just little sticky papers, and they are the cutest I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah, those are super cute. But let's open the next baggie. Pretty, please.
Okay, you're right. I wonder what's in here. What's your bet, Sammy?
I bet it's a cookie.
Okay, let's see if your guess is right. Well, oh, I should have taken that bet. It's not a cookie, Sammy. But look how pretty this thing is. Hey, you know, I think there is something else inside. Hold on a sec. Yes, I was right. Now check this out.
Sorry, Sue, but I really need that thingy. Thanks! You can keep going without me.
All right. Oh, it says there's something really cute inside. Drum roll? A bunch of awesome stickers. So cool! Wait, we've got not only regular stickers, but also stickers for notes!
Sue, could you bring me some water?
Here's your water, Sam. Huh? Wait, what's going on here? Where are the stickers?
I'm making this world bright and unlonely.
Well, I won't wash this hand as long as I can.
Oh, I'm genius!
Now let's have a look at what's inside this one, shall we?
Can I open it, please? Done!
Let's see. Wow, it's a notebook, and it's so beautiful. I could write my to-do lists in it.
Or I could keep track of my rubber duck collection here. I always lose them, you know.
Look, this baggie is quite large. I have no idea what cute things can be inside. It seems to be a letter writing set. Amazing!
What? Did Kiki and Lala send us letters? Read them, Sue!
Haha. I meant it's to write letters and send them to your friends.
Well, it's good too. I have many friends, and I like writing letters.
Okay, Sammy, then let's share. And here is our next bag. I can't figure out what's inside.
What takes you so long, Sue?
Okay, I'm cutting it open. Oh, I'm so curious. Wow, look at this. These rolls of paper tape are so pretty.
Very pretty, Sue. But, where can we use them?
Let's see. For example, we could use it to decorate your telescope. I'll just stick it here, and it's gonna look lovely.
Oh-ho, my telescope looks so cool now. The little star in the sky will love it when it sees it.
Okay, it's time to open the next baggie. Sammy, do you want to have a look?
Duh, why can't I remember your name? Oh, Sue is calling me.
Oh wow, it's another set of stickers, and I know exactly how we can use them.
How?
We can make tags for your ducks.
Right. I've got another one, Susie. Take it.
Okay. Hey, it's not a duck, it's a flamingo. No need to number it. And here's the last bag. Oh, there must be something really awesome inside. Let's see. Oh, wow, look. All this stuff is so cute. Which ones would you like to take, Sammy?
I'll take this one and this. Oh, and I want that one too. Oh, it's a tough choice. I decided, Sue, I want them all.
Okay, so what shall we do now?
I'm not sure, but I wouldn't say no to dinner.
No, Sam, I mean with all these treasures. Is there anything you'd like to use first, huh?
Let's decorate our new notebook. And write a letter. But I won't tell you who it is for. It's a secret.
Oh, I love this notebook. From one side, it's as soft as a kitty's belly. From the other side, it's sparkly and puffy. Amazing! How about stickers? It's the best way to customize any notebook.
I've got one sticker too. Is it cute enough?
It's perfect. Would you just look how pretty it turned out? I really like what we did with it. Now let's write something cute.
Let me do it, Susie.
Oh wow, Sammy, that's so sweet. Now I really want to use these stickers. This way we'll never lose this page. Oh, I love this shiny star. It will help highlight something important. Friends, subscribe to our channel. We have lots of cool videos for you.
Sue, could we use this sticker? Pretty, please.
Of course, see? It fits perfectly here. Look at this, friends! This is the prettiest notebook spread I've ever had! With all these stickers and bookmarks, it looks even cuter! Now, what I'm really wondering about is, who is it Sammy wants to send a letter to?
Okay, I'll tell you. It's a letter to the little star so she won't feel lonely.
I knew it! Let's make the most beautiful letter ever. We'll start with the envelope. Some star stickers go here. And a cute pattern on the sides. Now we need to sign it!
Sue, I'm done with the letter.
Ah, so sweet! I think your little star will be happy to get this. Here we go! Everything is ready!
Let me take it to the mailbox, Sue. Uh-huh. Thanks! And while I'm waiting for the answer, you can have a look at how we made this craft.
It's a great idea, Sam! Let's start with paper baggies!
How about a couple of stars, Sue? Can they be the theme of the craft?
Sure thing, Sammy. I'll try to make them as cute as possible.
Is it coloring time?
Not just yet. Let me draw them sitting on a cloud. Huh, looks comfortable. Well, do they look like your stars, Sam?
They do. Now let me make them bright. Now it's your turn, Sue.
No problem. You know I love coloring. Here's an idea. What if we indicate just how cute the contents of this baggie is? This will be cuteness scale. So, Sammy, how cute do you think this picture of the twin stars is?
10 out of 10, of course.
I agree. These little stars are really cute.
Let's wrap it up with this baggie, Sue.
Okay. Now, Sammy, what are we going to put inside?
How about these envelopes? They're cutest of all. A little more. Yay. Okay, now you can glue the edges together.
It's almost ready. I only need to do one little thing.
Hey, look what I've got.
Wow, so many different colorful blind baggies.
Where are we gonna store them?
We'll make a super large bag to fit them all.
Phew, now we need to color everything.
A bit of magic.
Wow, it looks cool, Sue. So are we done yet?
Almost. So, which one do you prefer?
Kawaii! It can't be anything else.
That's for sure. Okay, we're almost there. We just need one little detail. And voila, the cutest craft is ready.
Now let's pack them all inside the big bag.
This is it.
Oh, I can't wait to unbox it all again.
Yeah, I know, Sammy. Me too. What's the hurry?
No time to explain. Come on.
Okay.
Ah, there she is. Yes! Sue, she got my letter. Yoo-hoo! Friends, if you like this video, subscribe to our channel. See you soon in our new video. We love you.
And if you have your favorite star in the sky, give us a thumbs up. See you around.